ZANU spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa has urged party members with the leadership ambitions to be patient until 2030 as internal tensions continue to simmer within the ruling party. Sadapena mashoko bwananyugwa achinzi Mutsvangwa draws line wait until 2030 amid ZANU power struggles. There was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chibina mnamo bwananyugwa mchinzi. This comes as the party backs effort to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's term of office from 2028 to 2030 through the proposed Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 3 Bill, which is currently before Parliament. The bill seeks to increase presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years and proposes a shift from direct presidential elections to a system where the president is chosen by a joint sitting of Parliament. The poll suggested that Vice President Chiwenga is opposed to the proposed changes, a stance widely interpreted as linked to his own presidential aspirations. Speaking at a press conference on Wednesday, Mutsvangwa did not directly mention Chiwenga, but appeared to address individuals positioning themselves for leadership within the party. If you have ambitions as a faction or whatever is trying to take over from him, just wait for 2030. It will come. It will not be removed from the calendar of Zimbabwe, said Mutsvangwa. It will still be there. Just make sure you keep healthy. And if you are a member of the party, just make sure that you maintain your standing with the membership in a good standing so that your candidacy come 2030 can enjoy the support which it should. Mutsvangwa also cautioned against actions he said were fueling divisions within ZANU-PF ahead of the anticipated end of Mnangagwa's current term. ZANU-PF is scheduled to hold its elective congress in 2027, where a successor to Mnangagwa would ordinarily emerge ahead of the 2028 elections. However, both the congress timeline and the election cycle could be significantly altered if the constitution amendments are passed. Despite calls from opposition groups and civil society organizations for a national referendum, the ruling party is pushing ahead with the plans to pass the bill through Parliament. According to reports, a joint sitting of Parliament is set for 18 May. If approved, the bill could be sent to Mnangagwa for assent and potentially becomes law as early as 19 May. Toma developments aripo. Pina comment section medu nzofungura enyi moto kudipa msoro pechitwa ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.